If you're serious about woodworking, you know the value of tools that strike the perfect balance between power and convenience. Whether you're building custom furniture or tackling detailed DIY builds, the Grizzly G0999 15-inch 2-horsepower benchtop planer is the machine your workshop has been waiting for. This innovative machine redefines convenience by delivering wide planing capacity in a compact benchtop design. Plane boards up to 15 inches wide, giving you the flexibility to take on big jobs without taking up too much space in your shop. Effortlessly power through any type of wood, thanks to the 2-horsepower, 120-volt, single-phase 16.5 amp motor. This planer delivers consistent performance, making quick work of all figured and exotic types of wood. It's built to handle the workload, so you can focus on your craft. Control and precision are at your fingertips. With 2 feed rates, you can adjust the speed for faster prep work or finer finishes. And thanks to the built-in digital height readout, you can set your desired thickness with confidence, no guesswork, no wasted time, and no need for extra passes. Stability matters. That's why we built in auto carriage locking. No vibration, just clean, precise cuts every time. Need to switch between thicknesses? Smoothly raise or lower the height with 4 Acme thread elevation screws. And the depth stop lets you preset up to 5 thicknesses for fast, seamless transitions between tasks. What makes this planer a cut above the rest? The spiral cutter head with 32 indexable carbide inserts delivers smooth, tear-out free finishes with every pass. When an edge dulls or chips, just rotate the insert for a fresh, sharp cut. No sharpening or cutter head adjustment, just maximum efficiency. Planing multiple boards has never been easier. With the included return rollers, send each piece back for its next pass hassle-free. Maximize your workspace with the optional heavy-gauge steel mobile machine stand. Built for efficiency and convenience, it transforms your setup into a dedicated mobile workstation. This isn't just a planer, it's a game changer. The Grizzly G0999 15-inch 2-horsepower benchtop planer gives every great woodworker a machine that's as serious about the craft as you are. Why settle for less? Transform the way you work and elevate your woodworking passion. Visit grizzly.com and bring home this planer today.